Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial about Armstrong numbers in Python. An Armstrong number, also known as a narcissistic number, pluperfect digital invariant, or pluperfect number, is a number that is the sum of its own digits each raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, 153 is an Armstrong number because 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed equals 153. Let's create a Python tutorial with a code example. Now you have a simple Python program that can determine whether a given number is an Armstrong number or not. You can use this example as a starting point for more complex programs or integrate it into other projects that involve number manipulation. Feel free to experiment and modify the code to suit your needs. Happy coding! ChatGPT.